All right, besties. Come clean out the car with me. Because it's horrible. And all I'm going to say is, find somebody else to play with. Don't come play with me. Got it? Okay. Come help your girl out with cleaning out her car. Let's go. Now, I'm going to tell y'all this before I show my passenger side. Do not judge me because I know I'm not the only woman that be having a whole lot of shit over me, okay? But we almost done. Don't judge me. Find somebody else to judge. All right, y'all. This is my trunk. Y'all see, we not cleaning that out because y'all niece and nephew gonna clean this shit out. And then I'll come back and vacuum. Once again, judge your baby daddy, my baby mama. Don't come judge me. Thank you.